Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, student. Hope you all fine there. May Allah bless you all. Today is Monday, 18th January 2021. Today the topic is percentage. Today we are going to revise exercise 8A. Before solving the exercise, we will revise about the percentage. Percentage word comes from the word percent. So two words, percent. Per mean over and cent mean 100, means out of 100. If we get any discount of 50% or 10%, so 50% means 50 by 100, means out of 100. The symbol of percentage is used, this is the symbol of percentage, which means 1 over 100. So if you take a discount from any shop, it means they are giving you discount on 100 rupees. If a 50%, if an article is priced 100 rupees and they are giving you 50% discount, it means they will discount you 50 rupees on 100 rupees. So you will get this article by 50 rupees. So today we are going to convert the percentage as a fraction or as decimal or in the mixed numbers. So the question number 1 today we are going to solve is, the statement of question number 1 is, express each of the following percentage as a fraction. The first part we are going to solve is 28%. Now we are convert this percentage into a fraction. So in solution we will write 28%. So 28% mean over 100. Now it is in the fraction form. We will simplify these numerator and denominator. If we divide both the numbers on 4, then we will have 4 sevens are 28 and 4 25s are 100. So 7 by 25 is in the simplified form, at the lowest form. So we have converted 28% into the fraction, which is 7 over 25. Now we are going to next part, which is 158%. We are going to convert this percentage into fractions. So in solution we will write 158%. So we will convert it by 2, we have 79, and if we divide 100 by 2, then we will have 50. So it is in fractional form, but it is an improper fraction, so we will change into the mixed fraction. So it becomes, if we divide 79 by 50, then we will have 1 whole 29 over 50. So 158% is converted into the fraction, which is 1 whole 29 by 50. Now we are going to solve the next part, which is C. The value is 12.4%. So in solution we will convert 12.4% into the fraction form. So we'll write in solution 12.4%. Now first of all we will remove the point and convert it into the fraction form. So we will write 1 to 4 over 1 point is replaced by 1, and after the point there is a 1 digit, so we will place 0, and percent mean 1 over 100. And if we multiply 124 by 1, So we will have 124 ones are 124, and if we multiply 10 and 100, we will have 1000. Now it is in the fractional form. If now we are going to simplify this fraction by dividing by 2, then we will have 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 over 2 5s are 10. C, the value is 12.4%. So in solution we will convert 12.4% into the fraction form. So we'll write in solution 12.4%. Now first of all we will remove the point and convert it into the fraction form. So we will write 1 to 4 over 1 point is replaced by 1, and after the point there is a 1 digit, so we will place 0, and percent mean 1 over 100. And if we multiply 124 by 1, so we will have 124 ones are 124, and if we multiply 10 and 100, we will have 1000. Now it is in the fractional form. If now we are going to simplify this fraction by dividing by 2, then we will have 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 over 2 5s are 10 over 500. And if we divide again by 2, then we will have 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and if we divide 500 by 2, then we will have 250. So it is the lowest form of fraction. So 12.4% is converted into the fraction, which is 31 over 250. So in this way you can change the any percentage number into the fraction. Okay student, now we are going to solve the question number 2 of exercise 8a. The statement of question number 2 is express each of the following. Express each of the following percentage express each of the following percentage as a decimal. So in question number 2, some percentages are given. We have to convert it into the decimal numbers. A decimal number is that number in which a point is occurred. So the part A, in which the percentage is given, which is 4%, we have to convert this percentage into the decimal number. So in solution we will write the percentage again. It's a 4%. First of all we will convert the percentage into the fraction, which becomes 4% mean over 100. And now if we divide 4 by 100, then we will have, so it is very easy to divide the number by the tens power. So we will write the number 4, and here are the 2 zeros, so we will place the point after 2 digits. So we have 1 digit, so we will place another 0 and become, so here is a 4 and here are the 2 digits, so we will place the digit after point after 2 digits. So we, from right hand side, so we will write 4, we place 0 by self and then point the place, and to cover the point we will write the 0. So if we divide 4 by 100, we will have 0.04. So it is in the decimal form. So the 4% is can be written in the decimal form is 0.04. Now we are going to solve the next part, which is B, 633%. So in solution we will convert this percentage into the decimal number. So we will write the percentage as it is 633%, First of all, we will write it in the fraction form. So we'll write 633% mean over 100. And if we divide 633 by 100, then we will have, so we will write the numerator as it is. There are two zeros, so we'll place the point from right hand side after the two digits. So we have 1, 2, and we'll place the point here. So it becomes 6.33. So it is in the decimal form. So 633% can be written in the decimal number as 6.33. Now we are going to solve the next part, which is C. Now we are going to solve the next part, which is C. Number is 0.02%. Now we have to convert this percentage into the decimal number. So in solution, we will write the percentage again, 0.02%. First of all, we will convert the decimal number into the fraction. So it becomes 2 over, point is replaced by 1, and after the point there are two digits, so we will place two zeros, and percent mean 1 by 100. 1 over 100. Now if we multiply, 2 ones are 2, numerators are multiplied. Now we are going to multiply by 100 by 100, so it becomes 10,000. So now we can divide 2 by 10,000. So we will have numerator 2, and there are in the denominators there are 4 zeros. So we'll place the point after the 4 digits. So we have 1 digit. So we place 3 zeros. Now there are 4 digits. So we can place the point over here. To cover the point, we will write 0. So if we divide 2 by 10,000, then we will have the number 0.0002 as a decimal. So in this way you can convert the any percentage into the fraction, into decimal number.